How to create a new YouTube channel. Hello everybody, this video is going to be about how you can easily create a new YouTube channel. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you need to do is open up any web browser that you usually use. Right now I'm just going to use Google Chrome, which is really convenient for me. And from here you're just going to search for youtube.com. And if you already have an account, that's great. To create a new channel, what you're going to do here is now you're just going to go ahead and enable the desktop site like this and tap on the U section at the bottom left corner, or you can find it on the top right corner like this. From here, just head over to your settings. And once your settings is open, if you don't see here this add or manage channels, what you are going to do is go ahead and search for youtube.com slash channel switcher, channel underscore switcher. And it will take you to this page right here. Now here you have a create channel button. Just tap on it. Now you're just going to enter the name of your channel, and then you are just going to enter a unique handle, something like this. So once you have done that, you can just hit enter or create channel like this, and a new channel will be created under your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.